Hi guys, it's ASBYT and welcome back to a brand new video, and today we have some very, very exciting news if you're a fan of OnePlus and you're a fan of home entertainment. So without further ado, let's get straight to why OnePlus are again making a splash in the news with regards to technology. So let's get straight to it. So welcome back to a brand new video. Like I said, today we're talking about OnePlus, and they are famed for their smartphones predominantly. Obviously the OnePlus 6 was released in May to much aplomb because it brought real hardcore flagship specs and design in a knockdown price from some of the top brands. And they've been doing this for many, many years, and that's how they've kind of made their name. Great products, great prices. So outside of smartphones and their fairly small collection of accessories, they've also released Bullets wireless headphones. There isn't much else to the OnePlus brand until now, potentially. Because when news dropped, I believe yesterday or the day before, that OnePlus were going to be going into the world of home entertainment, a lot of OnePlus fans and just fans of great tech at decent prices got very, very excited. So tongues of course began to wag when Pete Lau, the founder and chief executive of OnePlus, tweeted on the 17th of September, excited to take the next step forward together. What would you like to see in the OnePlus TV? Have ideas for a name? Let us know here. So there are forums available for you to do that. But that of course meant that everyone was going, whoa, hang on, well, what's going on? Well, they're making a TV? They've just done smartphones, really? But then of course what continued to happen was information came out and tweets came out from the OnePlus Twitter handle about the fact that they are looking to create a real home hub smart environment to rival the likes of Amazon, Google, Apple, Samsung and Huawei as well. And if you know OnePlus, the reason why you might want to get excited is because if there are other products or anything to go by, the quality is going to be right up there and the pricing is going to be very, very aggressive. And who doesn't love that? Come on. So the OnePlus tweet actually led through to a website where they've actually listed what they're planning to do. And they can be quoted as saying, we want to bring the home environment to the next level of intelligent connectivity. To do this, we are building a new product of OnePlus premium flagship design, image quality and audio experience to seamlessly connect the home. We call it OnePlus TV. Over the next 5 years, developments in 5G and artificial intelligence will offer an even greater canvas to brainstorm how to improve life as we know it. In continuing our relentless exploration of improving the world around us, we would like to take the first step in building a connected human experience. The article then goes on to say, we believe your TV has the potential to be so much more than where you watch your favourite shows. Since 2013, we have focused on building the best smartphone possible. In the process, our team and community have learned a tremendous amount about software, hardware, design, product development, and delivering on the best possible user experience. All those long nights and weekends in the office contributed by this team and community have paved an excellent foundation on which to build the OnePlus TV experience. There's then a final summary paragraph followed by here's to taking the next step together, never settle, Pete. So of course, reasons to be excited, great hardware and software usually, and very aggressive pricing will make this home setup, this smart TV, I would imagine a great buy. Obviously until I've tested it, I can't actually confirm. In terms of release dates, we're probably looking at a 2019. I certainly wouldn't believe it'll come any earlier. But as and when any more news comes through, I will of course share it with you. Don't know about you. I am very, very excited. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, what you think about this project. Is it something you think that OnePlus need to be going in? Do you think they should just focus on smartphones, or do you think they should branch out to all different types of tech? And more importantly, that smart home section as well. What would you want to see in this smart TV or the home network that they might try and create? What do you think is missing from those brands that have similar products in the market at this moment in time? Like and share if you did enjoy this video and found it helpful. Subscribe and hit that notification bell if you're new to the channel and want to be notified every time I post a video. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. ASBYT, peace out.